Welcome to SmartPlant AI, the world's first AI-powered 3D cement kiln optimization platform. Today I will show you how we are optimizing cement plant operation with Google Gemini AI. Cement plants are among the most power-intensive industries with complex processes that demand constant balancing. Traditional monitoring systems are reactive, fragmented, and lack intelligence insights. SmartPlant AI transforms with real-time 3D visualization, AI-powered optimization, and natural language assistance. Let me show you how it works. Here is our interactive 3D kiln model. You can see the five thermal zones with real-time temperature data. The color changes dynamically: blue for cold, red for hot zone. This is how we can interact with the 3D kiln model, and we can also choose to have different type of kiln architecture as well. And this is monitored real time. Our real time dashboard shows all sensor types. Here you can see fuel consumption, uh, preheat, temperature, etc. And you can also show in the left side that we are every 30 seconds we are coming up with AI recommendations, like what is the how much uh, alternative fuel we can increase with the reasoning, like with the reasoning and expected result for each, like maintaining optimal. These are the recommendations which are coming based on the data which we are constantly getting from the sensors. Okay. So if let's say there is any anomaly which occurs, then we should be able to tell them that this can be a resolution for that particular issue. And this is built using Gemini AI, FastAPI, React 3 .js for 3D visualization, and our platform integrates with can be integrated with an existing plant while providing visibility and control. You here in the config you also have an option to choose the interval with which you want to get the data, and we also get to see the real-time analysis here, and we can see detailed the status of all the sensors here, and we can also chat with our the data that, for example, tell me how many anomalies occurred in the past 1 hour or in the past 1 day, etc. And this is where we can add a plant, or we can we can add a kiln by selecting an existing plant, etc. So that way we can actually customize this tool for our own requirement. We can configure it for more and more number of plant and kilns, and you can see this is also getting updated real time, and this is again uh, this is connected via WebSocket from the backend, so that it is always updated and correct data. Uh, so here SmartPlant AI, using SmartPlant AI, we are trying to transform cement plant operation from reactive monitoring to predictive uh, intelligence. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you will like it.